Hello, my artists. This is Madness Nail Art, aka Caitlin. Hello. So, I am bored today, and I also don't feel like working out, so I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys using my Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette, which I will show you what this beauty looks like. Hopefully my brush doesn't fall out. I'll just take it up. So, sorry, I just flashed you guys. This is what it looks like. Oops, sorry. It's very pretty. Love it. So, we are going to be using that today, although it seems like I got a little fallout on my mirror, but that's okay. I do not mind. So, I'm probably going to do something a little different than I did last time, and I'm going to do my crease first before I do my lid first, because I don't know why I did that, like, in my Naked Cherry and my Blue Moon tutorial, which I'm also going to do another tutorial with the Blue Moon just to make up for that one, too. I mean, they weren't bad looks, it's just that I know I could have done a better job. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one a little differently today. We're gonna use some shimmers instead of an all matte look. So I'm gonna do all my face stuff. I just moisturized and cleaned my face, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so we're gonna talk about all the products I used on my face today. So, I use the Professional Primer. It's the Pore Primer by Benefit Cosmetics. It looks like that. Then I used my The Balm Photo Balm Powder Foundation. And that was in the shade Light Medium, but they do not sell that one anymore. And then this is the NYX Professional Makeup Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade Natural. And then I have the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Concealer in the shade Fair, and it looks like that. And then this is my Revolution Makeup Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Ghost. Actually used quite a bit of it up. And then I used the Butter Bronzer, and actually the shade Bronzer and not the Sunkissed Bronzer this time. And then I used the Ciate London blush. This is in Date Night. And then I used my NYX Away We Glow Liquid Highlighter, and then this is in the shade, oh, I don't even know. Wait, hold on. Oh, Crystal Glare. I don't know if you can buy this anymore. And then I used my Estee Do Me Baked Highlighter, and this is in the shade Lit. So I layered that over my NYX liquid highlighter. And on my brows today I used the Gimme Brow Plus by Benefit, and then I used the Incredible Jelly Lip Shot Quencher. And then I used the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub in Bright and Bubbly. And I believe that is all the products I used on my face today. So, we're going to start our tutorial today then. I don't know why I'm over here. Hi. Alright, so we are taking this round crease brush. I already did both eyes. So, I am dipping into the shade, hold on. Feels. And so I think it's a nice crease shade. It's like kind of a brownish pink, I want to say. So we are going to put this in our crease. Now these are like really pigmented eyeshadows, so we're gonna blend. And then I'm gonna wipe my And then I'm dipping into Bing right there. So this is like a darker pink. And I'm just going to put that in there. Alright, and then I'm going to take my blending brush. This is the BH Cosmetics number 6 blending brush, and I'm going to blend my crease colors out on top. Alright, I think we're looking good. So, actually, I'm gonna keep that brush over here. This was the number 6, yeah, okay. So, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush in their festival set, and I'm dipping into the shade Juicy right here. So I'm gonna dip into that. And then I'm going to put that all over my lid. Alright, I'm back, guys. Sorry, I had to close my door because my mom's watching the news. And she's like loud, so is that. So I'm just gonna blend this like a little. Then I'm gonna go back in with my crease colors. So that was Feels and Bing. I'm just going to use my round crease brush once again. Then I will blend. Oops, I just got some on my nose. It's okay. We're okay, so oops. Gonna blend that out. And then I'm gonna go over with Juicy once again. You know, I feel like this is more of a peach palette than a cherry palette. Because there's not that many pinks in here. I mean, there are like pinks, but like I consider this shade way more peach. I mean, look at that on my brush. Huh. But I mean, to each their own. Alright. So I'm gonna take their little smoky brush. That's what I call it, at least. Or no, actually, I'm gonna take Bane Bane. So I'm gonna get my Anastasia brush. I can find it. Good, good. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A16 brush. And I'm going to dip into the shades Bane Bane. So that's this light pink. Sorry, I'm blinding you right there. And then I think Ambitious, which is this pretty copper shade right there. So, sorry I just blinded you. I'm going to dip into those shades then. Very pretty. And I'm going to put that on my lids. Sorry, it's really hard to sit and do your makeup. Especially because I have to be really low when I do that. Alright, so I'm dipping into that copper shade. Oh. Oopsies. Didn't mean to do that. It's okay. It'll all blend out, so oops. I'm gonna take their blending brush. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back once again and layer that. I feel like my camera's like out of focus for some reason. I think that looks pretty good. And then, I think turn on is way too bright for the inner, or a little dark for the inner lid, so I'm gonna close this for the moment. And then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. And I'm going to take this brush from my rose quartz set. Where is it? I have an issue, guys. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, this is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And we're going to dip into Pink Heart right here. And I'm going to put that in my inner corners and under my brow bone. So, I'm just gonna go in. I think that's really pretty. And then I found a good use for this brush, and this is probably what it was for, and I just never used it. So I have this little fan brush that I'm going to use for my brow bone. So. You know, this is probably more for detailing and less of brow bone, so let me take this brush real quick. Oops, oh god. Sorry. Had like fuzz over my brush. Okay, I don't know where the fuzz came from. World may never know. So, there we go. Why are my parents so loud? Literally, anytime my dad or my mom talks, they are like the loudest people ever. Oh, what am I? Yeah, it's been a long day. I was actually, oops, sorry, very productive today. I dropped that. So I'm really proud of myself. Yeah, I don't know why I just did my brow bone over there, but actually, oh wait, I was gonna put this shade, which is Drunk Dial, right there in my outer corner. Oh my gosh. So, just to add some depth. Now this one is a shimmer shade. They do have a matte shade that you can use as well. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this little kind of soft glam today. And I think that this looks pretty good, and then it's all nice and blended. So I'm going to do my eyeliner and my other eye off camera and my mascara. So I will be right back to do lips. So my dumbass just realized that I was not filming when I was putting lipstick on. So I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's a very beautiful Bambi shade. It's in the color, it's in the shade Copenhagen. I love these so much. I'm so sad they discontinued the pink one though, because I definitely would have bought another one. Sorry, I'm like looking off into the distance. So, this is the look for today. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And then in our next video, we are going to be playing with this beautiful palette once again. This is the ColourPop Blue Moon palette. And I will see you guys till then, which is probably... Today is Friday, so probably like Sunday. Alright, bye.